Hey, what's up, guys? Cue intro. Feels like crap today. I got a new hat. That's my dad's hat. Oh, that's a. Whoa! Aw. Okay, this is like Irene. Actually, no, Irene is really heavy rain. This isn't even close. Irene was never like this. It was just really heavy and windy rain. How the hell can it be windy rain? Okay, I'm moving back. I mean, it was like this. Lightning strike right there. Oh, there's another one. We've had a lot of rain here, well, East Coast, and that's. Man, there's not that many thunderstorms here. It's just heavy rain. That's it. I don't think we have a thunderstorm in a long time.
And it sucks being stuck on the highway when it's something real simple like a battery cable.
Yeah.
Flat tire.
This is the first time I've been here when it's raining. Well, at the shop. Like this. Hat like this. Whoa. Oh, come on. Stupid camera didn't get that. Well, I got a good idea. We're gonna get screwed. Oh god. We are screwed. Gonna pick up pretty fast now. Whoa. What the hell?
Where the hell is the dead leaves coming from? Uh-oh, fall!
Yeah. And here it comes. It's kind of light right now. Oh. Not that heavy, actually. Oh. Oh, jeez. Gotta change. So, I might show when I go to bed, so. If not, good night. So, whatever. So I guess there was the last clip. Night. It's 9:30. School tomorrow for some reason, but whatever. See you tomorrow.